I'm Joe Henry with ACT Auto, Truck, and Tire Collision Staffing. And we're glad that you're here with us watching today. So today's our recruiting tip of the month is about why you should do the following. And it may sound crazy, but it's very important, which is, if nothing else, take resumes, print them, and put them onto your desk, especially when it comes to all the blue collar and skilled labor parts, because here's what happens. All it takes is laying those resumes on your desk. We all know how the grapevine works. Next thing you know is we hear people saying, did you see that there's resumes on the boss's desk? And that has a tendency to really straighten things out. And just as a matter of fact, one of my great long-term clients that's up in Tennessee called me the other day, and he said, you know, when you told me about that, it didn't make any sense, but sure enough, my service manager did that, and he said that we have a different attitude in the service department now. So keep those resumes printed and put on there, and it's so easy to get them and print them up from our database. All you have to do is just call us and get your account going, and we'll show you how to do it. I'm Joe Henry with ACT Auto, Truck, and Tire and Collision Staffing. Have a great business day.